Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about how do you find niche and focused hashtags on Instagram. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's talk about this. And it's a question from Jack. And Jack, thank you so much for submitting these questions. So his question is, how could I find hashtags for fitness? So fitness is a huge niche on Instagram. And yeah, most of the hashtags are going to be really big. But his challenge is, no way I can find for 20K. So most of the hashtags under fitness are like millions, 10 millions, 50 million. But I'm going to show you a tool that you can use to find focused and niche and small hashtags for your brand and your business. And you can do this in fitness, fashion, food, any possible niche that you can think of. All right, now let's jump into this. The tool that I am going to use it's called Meta Hashtag. So it's one of my favorite hashtag research tools. It's right here, metahashtags.com. Here's the URL. Now, it's free, so you don't have to pay anything. That's another reason I love this tool for hashtag research on Instagram. Now, what you want to do is, so for example, Jack's niche is fitness. I'm going to put fitness, and as you can see, 394 million posts. That's a lot. But let's go and search fitness. And you see it right here. He's right. Most of these posts are really big. 83 million, 160 million, 157. Oh my God. So how do you find small posts or more focused hashtags? And you know what? This tool, this is what I love about this tool. Look at these filters right here. So one of these filters is we can go to post and I can filter by minimum and maximum. So let's say we're looking for, I believe he was looking for something around 20K. So let's go from 5,000 to, I'm just gonna put 30,000 right here, apply. And now what happens? So now this tool is gonna go through all of those. And look at this. So gym blogger, 18.7K. That's what you were looking for, right? Fitness inspiration, almost 10K. There you go. So now you're able to find, using this tool, now you're able to find more these are smaller hashtags, but they're more niche, more focused for your brand and your business. And what I would do is, so I just search for fitness. You can just kind of keep going. So I'm going to say fitness lifestyle. Let's search on that. Look at that. So I have more now, right? And then I can kind of like go through this. So let's select this. I have two. Then I'll go to fitness lifestyle, fitness good. And obviously you want to make sure you look at the hashtag and look at the content and make sure this is what you want. Because, you know, maybe you are into fitness from workout angle. Maybe you're into fitness from diet angle. So you want to make sure you select the right and relevant hashtag to your account or your business. But let's scroll down. Fitness, there's another one, 6.9K. Fitness lifestyle, fitness good. And then another thing is I can just click on fitness good and it will search that as well. You see, I'm building my list right here. Let's see if it finds anything else. But yeah, this is how you're able to, that's the power of this tool, Meta Hashtag. It's free. You don't have to pay anything, but you're able to, when you do your hashtag research, you're able to filter your research or your results by the minimum usage of the hashtag and the maximum. And I believe if I put like 50K, we're probably gonna get more options. But if I turn these off, if I turn the filters off, it's gonna be more. Look at that. So fitness coach, gym time is another one. So here's another thing. You can turn the filter off and then look at these for some ideas. So for example, gym time could be interesting. So let me click on that. And now in this tab, it's going to give me relevant to gym. Fitness journey is an interesting one. That's going to give me relevant to fitness journey. So you're able to, all these tabs are like different hashtag that I researched. And then inside the tab, I'm able to see, for example, fitness journey. If I scroll down, all these hashtags are relevant to fitness journey. And then I can go back and let's put our filter back, apply. And let's see if we are able to find some more hashtags. It's doing its magic. And by the way, one other thing I'll mention In addition to the number of posts, you're able to look, it's finding some more. Gym time is my time, 11.4. That's relevant to fitness. So maybe that's something you can look at. And also another thing is, as you're finding these niche hashtags, you can also search these and then add it to your or do to find or to more research, for more research. So I can take fitness is good or fitness lifestyle, which we already did, but I can take gym time is my time and search that and find more ideas. But look at this, I'm able to find fitness journeys, that's another one. Fitness journey continues, that's another one. 13.4K, 15.2K. 2017, that may not be relevant because this is 2020 now, but that tells me fitness journey 2020, maybe another hashtag that you can potentially look into. So you see, we're able to, in like just 10 minutes, we're able to, using this powerful tool, we're able to find hashtags that are not like crazy big, they're more focused, they're more niche. Again, the website is called metahashtags.com. It's absolutely free, you don't have to pay anything. If you have any questions related to hashtags for Instagram, you know what to do, right? Ask those questions in the comments below, and also before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. And by the way, if you want me to make a video answering your question, leave those questions in the comments, because I will take those comments and turn those into video answers for you to add more value to help you guys. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.